Hello dear student, today I am going to describe about some more MCQ questions on the chapter 6 Visual Basic Studio 2010 Express. Previously in the previous MCQ set I described about 15 questions. Here more 15 questions I will describe in this document. So first of all, question number 16. An IDE of Visual Basic Studio 2010 Express contains the which of the following: toolbar, project explorer, property window, all of these. So you know that the answer will be all of these. Why the answer will be all of this? You can see this is the IDE or integrated development environment where the toolbar is there, form window is there, this project explorer is there, property window is there. So the answer will be all of this. Question 17. Visual Basic Studio 2010 Express supports which of the following application: CUI application, GUI application, both A and B, and none. So the answer will be GUI application, because you can see that we are creating a form, a window, so it is GUI application. Question number 18. Which toolbox is used to display text on the form window? You know the answer will be label box, because label box is used to display text. You can see that here the student report card, this text, then enter name, enter class, and other informations are displayed through the help of the tool, the label boxes. And here in this application I've used 13, more or less 13 label boxes. So each label box is used to display the information on the form. So label box will be the answer. Question number 19. Which toolbox is used to input output data on form window? So you know that the answer will be text box. Why the answer will be text box? You can see this, that to input the data and to output the data we use these boxes, and these boxes are called text box, and each and every text box is used to input and output data. Then question number 20. Which toolbox is used to perform any activity like mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, etc.? So you know that for doing any kind of activity we need buttons. Okay, so if you run this program, and if I run this program, you can see that I can give any name. Suppose Kuntal Chondo is the name of the student, and then I'm giving the class, suppose 8, and then section, roll number is 32, and the section is B, and the English marks I'm giving, and I just happens that I'm giving some marks. And you can see, if I click on total marks, it is reflecting 507, average 85 4.5, percentage 84.5, attendance. You can see these four are label boxes, buttons, and these buttons, these four buttons, total mark, average, percentage, and attendance, these four buttons are used to do the mathematical operation or any kind of activity while the GUI based application project is running on the Visual Basic. So you can see this. So the answer will be button. Question number 21. Dash is a platform on which we can develop a GUI based application using toolbox. The under will be form window, because in the form window we actually create the application. So if you see that this is the form window, this is the form window where we have actually made the application, and if I run, the form is running. You can see the form itself is running. So this form is the place, the platform where we run the we create the GUI based application. Next question 22. The property dash property of label box helps to display any line or word on the label box. So the answer will be text box, because in the text property of a label box, what we write, that will be displayed. So if you can see here, suppose this, I am selecting this label box and I'm going to the text property. You can see in the text property is written student report card. So student report card is displaying on this label box. So text property is a property of the label box where if we write something in the text property, that will be displayed on that particular label box. So text will be the answer. Question number 23. Dash property of label box helps to format the text displayed on the label box. The answer obviously will be font, because you can see, if I click here, you can see here that if I'm clicking, I'm just selecting this label box and I'm going to font, you can see that here the font property is there, and this is the font property. And if I'm clicking on the font property, this formatting dialog box is coming, for through which I can format any text displayed on the label box. So next question number 24. Dash property of label box helps to resize the label box as required. The answer will be auto size. You remember, the answer will be auto size. Why I'm telling? When I'm just selecting this label box, you can see the auto size. Here the auto size is there, auto size. So when you bring the label box, a fresh label box on the form, the auto size becomes true. But we need to make it false. False means that the label box will be resized according to our choice. Okay, so the auto size is the auto size is the property by which we can resize the label box. So next question 25. Dash property of text box helps to make the text box appear on the form window while running the program. The answer will be visible. That means if visible becomes true and you are running the program, the form, that toolbox will be appear on the form. Again, I'm telling, the visible is the property of any kind of toolbox, like button, like text box, like label box. And if you give the value true in the visible property of a particular box, maybe toolbox, any toolbox, maybe text box, maybe label box, maybe button, then when the form is running and the form is appearing as a window on that form window, the text box or the label box or the button will be displayed if for that the visible property is true. Question 26. Dash property helps to change the background color of the button. You know the answer will be back color. So through the back color we can change the background color of any toolbox. Dash property helps to change the color of the text displayed on the button. So you know that text color is changed by the foreground color or forecolor for any toolbox. Question number 28. Dash function helps to carry out the value given in the text box into a variable. So the answer will be val, because val function extract the value given in the text box into a variable. If you want to see it, suppose these are the buttons, 4 buttons. I'm double clicking on any button. You can see here the information. Many variables I've declared. Now you can see properly that x equal to val text box 1 dot text. So val is a function by which I can extract the data, the value given in the text box, and it can be stored in x. Okay, so question number so val is the val function which actually carries out the value from a text box into a variable. Question 29. Dash keyword is used to declare a variable in Visual Basic. Obviously the answer will be dim or dimension. You can see the example. You can see I have written dimension, dim x as integer, dim y as integer, dim total as integer, like this. So dim or dimension is the keyword by which a variable is declared in Visual Basic. And now question number 30. Which of the following codes is correct? So you can see this code is the correct code, because here x equal to val text1 dot text is the wrong, because text1 is not should not be coming, and x equal to val text box dot text, here the text box number is missing, whether text box 1 or 2, and last x equal to val text box 1 dot text is missing. So the first option, x equal to val text box 1 dot text, is the correct option. So student, here I've described the 15 important question for the chapter 6 Visual Basic Studio 2010 Express. Thank you all the student.